Hi everyone. Today I record media apartment in general elevator. Wow, kind of fast. 8%. 10%. 8,000 kilograms. That person should be with 1,000 kilograms. Oh wait, 1,000 kilograms. I'm gonna go for 13. Buttons indicator like ThyssenKrupp. And oh my, what does that 20 look like? Very nice. Oh, used to be a screen here. No air conditioner in this elevator. What is this button? There's an alarm. Pretty nice. Here we are at G. That's it. Media apartment parking list. Not just parking, and just take the same with the the other elevator, but it has a different capacity. It's 13%, 1,000 kilograms. Let's go 20. Let's get a cab view now. Doors. Panel at this side. Used to put the TV there. Lights. My dad. CCTV. And handrails. Another TV. Wait, is that? You see the model? Can't see it. Here we are, 20. Let's go down to B. Very nice blue button. 22 story of lift of a apartment. This is only zone D1. Nice doors. Imagine this Tecno elevator. There's no smoking sign down there. Here at B. Guns goes out. Cabinet. A big no smoking sign. And I don't know. That's it. Middle apartment, zone E1. Wow, pretty nice. We'll go to 20. Oh wow, still Tecno, but look at that. Oh. P800 is the model. Wow. Look at this wooden cabin. Hey, mirror. That's my dad. Oh yeah. Not familiar door. Well, 13 has a different of 14, 9, and every other floor. Oh, pretty nice indicator too. Indicator action too. Here we got 20. Pretty nice button. Tecno. Screen indicator now. Everything else is just like it's small, it's the same. Yeah, same capacity. It's a P800? Yeah, P800 model. Guess I got the model. And you're now putting in 3 rows. That means B has to be like this, along here, like in the middle. Here, G. And no. Let's take the next look down the basement. And this one is at 12. This one should come down. Oh, not the top indicator, the whole indicator. Oh, it's kind of busy here too. Diamond in the center. There's a kindergarten here at media apartment, so it's pretty good. Like if some of my friend at school lives here. Like a lot. Almost like, I don't know. Okay, bye. So that was a fail because like maybe that's something problem with the camera. And now I'm back with the marking lift. Let's go back down to B again. To Tecno, do the same as the other parking lift I show you.
The difference is
The big capacity and Tecno lift. Very shaky. Okay, number 15. Or a 4. Okay. I I think this is where the hand sanitizer here. A big mirror, a screen indicator, a door, a stamp. Let's go back. It's still the same, but the difference of the D spot, it was, this is not a screen indicator. Wait, time and the date is wrong. Why is not, this is not year 2000, it's 2022. What is happening there? Oh, get me out of this. There was something wrong.
Stop.
This is now zone E2. Let's go up first. Oh my god. So the last one I got scared. Like the kids were playing, and then when I pass it, I hear alarms.
Maybe, I guess.
So nothing happened to that.
Yeah.
I guess I just like accidentally press it. I think they hit into it, and then like freaked me out. So I spring into action. Called to G. It was going down to B. I called to G, and I said, "Get me out of this." That was so scary. Look at this. Oh, I guess let's get. Oh no, the time's wrong. It's not 12 o'clock in the night. Look at this. 12:14. Yeah, it's just a Tecno again. Very nice blue button. The lights are not strong enough to show me the button. So I'm like just like flashing. Okay, get out. Oh, the sun's going down. This building will make me freaked out if I just take it one more ride. That might freak me out if I take that one more ride. Oh my god. Okay, it's coming. Almost like a front lift. Here we are. Go big. Okay, now take no. Same capacity at the other one. Nice. Oh, it's not 9 o'clock. They got time again. Huh? Nice try. Okay. Well, that's my action. Pretty good action. Very good. The other was going down to basement, so I click to G. The kid just like pressed the alarm. Emergency alarm. Finally, I didn't get stuck. We didn't get stuck, is one thing. Yeah, the same capacity. Right date. About 20. These are like sigma time. A mirror. My dad's reflection behind the mirror. Pretty much very nice, but it looks small. So now, when we're done this elevator, we'll go to zone D2 because it was a crowded zone. To get a thumbnail out there, but not any button shines up like good shine. Just the door closed, but now look at this. Look at this. Just when you hear the chime. The light goes off when the chime goes. Doggies. You watch that close. And we're done. Hi everyone. Today I recorded middle apartment. So it has old Tecno lifts. I pretty much doesn't like Tower E1. There was a problem with the emergency alarm. So that was pretty bad. But you just saw my action when I hear the alarm. So that you might think is a good action, but it's a good action. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.